guys, welcome. Today I will be sharing essential baking items that you need if baking is something you want to dabble into, or you have started baking and you want some extra bit of information, or you just want to watch. This video is highly requested. That is a lie. No one asked me, absolutely no one asked me to make this video. I started baking more frequently during the pandemic, and over the months I have gathered a couple of baking items, mostly inexpensive, very basic stuff that have made baking possible. And I think it is good to make the video right now since I still qualify as a beginner, and this is more relatable to you guys if you want to start baking. My first item or items are baking tins. For a start, I would say get a round tin or two, but make sure they are both the same size. I unintentionally cut different size tins, like a centimeter or 2 centimeters different, and for maybe cakes with full-on icing, you can get away with it. I made Boston cream pie one time and I just knew it was time to get equal sized tins. I recently got these 9-inch cake tins, and so far I am happy with it. It is very easy to clean and grease, and the cakes bake fairly quickly and evenly because they are slim and do not take a lot of butter. It is perfect for layered cakes. Loaf tins are also very important. I have made more stuff with my loaf tin in here than even my round tin. With square tins, you can make brownies, bars, and cakes as well. Bun tins are another important. It makes whatever you bake pretty, and I like it. You can always use loaf tins in place of bun tins. I would advise not to buy the silicone type. I got this one because it was cheaper than the aluminium and it was a dumb move. It is hard to clean, it is kind of wobbly, and I don't know, just kind of weird. I use my cupcake tin very sparingly. Unlike cooking where you can almost wing it, baking requires more precision, and for that I highly recommend a weighing scale. I got this digital scale from Teddy for about €8 and I really like it. It has not only measurements for dry ingredients but for fluids too, so I hardly use my measuring jug. Measuring cups also come in handy for other functions aside measurements. You need measuring spoons too. Eating tablespoons and teaspoons have different sizes. A rubber or silicone spatula is very needed. It makes life easy. I use it every time I bake. You can scrape down the sides of a bowl with it. It is good for mixing, and its flexibility also allows you to get pretty much all of your butter into your baking vessel. Mine is heat proof, so I can also stir sauces or whatever it is I am making on the stove. I advise not to get this type that separates or any type that has joints because it is annoying to clean. But then I shouldn't complain. This one is very cheap and has served me a very long time. So you get this type instead. Wooden spoons are also good for stirring and folding in ingredients that do not require hardcore mixing. Whisks do not discriminate, hot or cold, wet or dry, they get the work done. You need this in your baking life. Even outside of baking, you can whip up pancakes with it, for example. So we cannot have any baked anything without bowls. I mean, this goes without saying. You do not necessarily have to buy glass bowls. Any deep, sturdy bowl you use in your kitchen will get the work done. I do recommend you get one thing that is heat safe for a double boiler type situation and that can be used in a microwave. You need different sizes. For a start, I would say one large one, a medium size, and 2 small bowls. I have these 3 tiny ones because tiny things are cute. Glass bowls are super easy to clean, and these ones are microwave safe. If you like to break stuff, don't buy glass. Rolling pins are great for crushing and rolling. Perfect for self-defense. The most expensive item on my list is my hand mixer. Even then, it's not that expensive. I got this for €10 in December of 2019 and it still works. I should have gotten something more heavy duty and slightly more expensive, but then I didn't know I was going to be baking this frequently. So save up and get a good one if you do not have any. It's going to last you a very long time. A hand mixer will save you so much time and pain. It is not pretty creaming by hand. Trust me. A wire rack is very useful for cooling from all directions, especially from under, because there is room for air to go around. This cooling step will prevent accumulation of steam and condensation. This is very useful for zesting any type of citrus. You can also use it to get chocolate shavings. You need a sieve to ensure there are no lumps in your dry ingredients, and it also serves to create additional air in your batter. A pastry brush is also quite useful for egg wash, butter wash, and for greasing your tins if you don't want to use your hand and if you do not have baking spray. A pair of scissors and knife is not particular to baking, but again, super useful. I always use a serrated knife to level my cakes and loaves and slice them. You do not want to keep tearing things with your teeth, so get a pair of kitchen scissors. I got a thermometer and silicone piping bags with nozzles, but I haven't used them yet. You may need parchment paper, aluminum foil and plastic wrap from time to time. So the point is, it's not a lot of stuff you can bake. It doesn't have to be fancy or high-end. Durable, definitely. I have spent about 60 euros on all the things that I own so far, and I know it's gonna last me a long time. So if you want to bake, don't think you have to get so many things to start baking. Just get the basic items and you're good to go. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked and found this video useful, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and all those good stuff. If you did not like, subscribe, leave a comment and share, you get to do extra work because you did not. I will be back next week with regular baking content. See you. Bye. So guys, obviously I know this is not your problem, but yeah, today's Friday and this video is supposed to be up by tomorrow, which is Saturday, and I'm just getting to making the video. I have not edited, I have not done the voiceover. Every time I'm like, Ameerah, you are going to get your shit. I should get to work now. Oh yeah, my kitchen is a mess. I don't know if do you guys want to see my kitchen? Do you want to see my kitchen? Should I show you my kitchen? Okay, let me show you my kitchen. It's kind of messy because yeah, it's always messy when I film. Okay, so I have stuff everywhere, as you can see, and that's my laptop, and this is my table. So what's funny, yeah? This thing is my desk, right, in my room. But because I do not like the table cover in the kitchen, I always have to take my desk from my room and put it here. Should I do it behind the scenes? Let me know if that's what you would like to see. Comment down below. And that's a thumbs down. Comment. Write a comment in it. I don't know what I'm saying, just yeah, thank you, bye.